Welcome back to my channel. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says simple sentences with one in Igbo. Our topic today says simple sentences with one in Igbo language. One means meriri in Igbo language. Last time we learned about simple sentences with win. Win means mmeri. One means meriri. One is the past tense of win. Igbo English. Number one says meriri. Class, repeat after me. Meriri. Meriri means one. Meriri. One. Now let's put it in simple sentence. Ha meriri. Meaning they won. Ha meriri. Meaning they won. O meriela. Meaning he or she has won. O meriela, meaning he or she has won. Remember, O is a pronoun in Igbo, meaning nnochiaha. O represents both he, she in Igbo language. So when you hear O meriela, it can be a boy or a girl that won. O meriela, meaning he or she has won. E meriela miya unyahu. Meaning, I won he or her yesterday. You can see, me means I. Emerielam, I have won, or I won him or her yesterday. Emerielam ya. Emerilim yunya. Emerielam, I have won him or her yesterday, or I won him or her yesterday. Emerilim yunya. I won him or her yesterday. Have you seen it? Number 5 says, Abomo meliriya. Meaning, it's me that won her or him. Abomo meliriya. It's me that won her or him. You can see here, we wrote mo in full. We add o. Abomo meliriya. Class, say it. Abomo meririya, meaning it's me that won her or him yesterday. Abomo meririya, omu meririya, omu meririya. It's me that won him or her. Emeririm. Remember, ya is a third person pronoun. It can be him or her. That is ya. Ya in Igbo. Obu nnochiaha nke onye nke atọ. It can be him or her. Represent both him and they, her. So like and share my videos. Bye.